This is the end of it all. To end like this after all the suffering. I thought if I just got off the island, then I'd be fine. God, are you gonna abandon me this way? Rain! Oh, thank you! Are you kidding? Whoa! Oh, come on! Battle! Oh, thank you, dear friends. Oh! Everyone, just hang on. We'll be all right. Oh, save me! We're all safe. Look. What the? Oh, it stings! Where'd all the flying fish come from? Thank you for this meal! So good! Come on, it's party time! Oh, that was good. You know, thank goodness you